What's up, guys? I didn't know I was not recording, but today we have this. This is the GOAT tools. This is the modular tool, and I believe I haven't seen anybody from the EU side of the pond get this, but this is the GOAT tools. All right, I just run over the pricing. I was charged custom, so the price of the tool itself was 99 euros. With postage was 109 euros. So that's about 119 US dollars at the time of recording, including customs, which was almost like 29%. So I had to pay 144 euros and 48 cents, which is about 158 US dollars. So it was more than what I paid for, but I wanted this really badly. So here we have it. It comes in this blue. Oh, there's a bit of a dent here on the box. I like to keep the boxes pristine. There's a barcode here. So GOAT tools, multi-tool, it's locking, and it's satin, made in China. Does this slide out? Okay. It is a magnetic box. Quick start guide. I've seen loads of videos on. Okay, let's just quickly look at the quick start guide. So how to open tools: use either the hole or the nail nick. Unfold the desired tool 180 degrees until it locks open. Unlocking option 1, press down on the short tools that are still in the handle. While pressing the short tools, fold the open tool back into the handle. Unlocking option 2, press on the back of the open and lock tool. While applying pressure on the back of the open tool, slightly open one of the long tools or the hot swap lever approximately 30 degrees. As soon as the lock disengages the open tool, close the lever or tool that was used to unlock it before closing the open tool. Otherwise, the tools may bind while closing. What? Unlock it before closing the tool. As soon as the lock disengages the open tool, close the lever or tool that was used to unlock. Okay. So you have to use. Okay, well, I'll figure that. Hot swapping. Open the tool to remove completely until it locks open. Open the hot swap lever until it hits detent 135 degrees. Remove the open tool by sliding it off the pivot perpendicular to the handle. Insert the new tool in the open space. Close the hot swap lever. Unlock and close the open tool as normal. Then what's on the back? Liability disclaimer. GOAT Tools LLC. GOAT Tools shall not be liable for any damages, injuries, or losses of any kind arising from the use of its product. Okay. By using any GOAT Tools products, the user assumes all risks and liabilities associated with such use. GOAT Tools products are intended for use by professionals and designed to meet industry standards and regulations. However, GOAT Tools makes no warranties, express or implied, as to the suitability, reliability, and accuracy of its product. Purchaser assumes all responsibility for compliance with all applicable laws, regulations, and industry standards, and for ensuring that its employees and agents use GOAT Tools products in a safe and responsible manner. This liability disclaimer constitutes the entire agreement between GOAT Tools and the user with respect to the use of its products and supersedes all prior or contemporaneous communications and proposals, whether oral or written, between GOAT Tools and the user. Wow. A lawyer definitely wrote this. It's quite nice. It has this plasticky laminate finish, so you can follow this for the video walkthrough. I think it just points to the YouTube channel. I've been following the channel. It's pretty good. Okay, so we have some silica gel to keep it dry. We have the sheet. Anything else in here? Does this come out? No, it's all stuck in. That's everything in the box. I'm just gonna put these back in here. This is the sheet made from nylon. Oh, it has this. Oh, that's quite nice. You don't have to unhook your belt in order to get at this. Oh, there's an extra slot here as well if you want to fit it sideways into the belt, maybe. Here we go. It says in the package that it was opened by custom, so I don't think I was the first to look at this. There we have it, guys. Wow. GOAT Tools. There's the clip here. Okay, I'm gonna run through. Well, let's have a look at the pliers. It has the removable cutters on both sides. Quite thin pliers. Yeah, it looks good. It has spring load. Where's the spring? I guess the spring must be inside the mechanism in here, because I don't see it. There's no visible spring. Got mine in satin. I love this feel. It's kind of sticky, so it's very nice. All right, let's have a look at some of the tools. Okay, let's have a look at the scissors. Does this not bounce back? I thought this bounces back. Oh, there we go. Oh, right. So I didn't have it locked properly. Oh, that's very nice. Make sure you lock that properly. This, I guess, yeah, this slides in. And there we have it. Oh, wow. Let me try cut something. Let's cut some plastic. Oh, very nice. Usually, for these kind of small scissors, they crimp. Oh, this is a very usable scissors. Oh my god, so impressed with this. Let's double it up. Yeah, it's good. Let's quadruple it. Very nice. Wow, very happy with that. Okay, so push down on the other tool. These don't budge. I've seen it on the... Okay, this you unlock. Okay, I can see it. Said open to the tent, so it's unlocked. Then you push this back in, and then you lock it. I think a lot of people were... Okay, that's not locked. Is it locked? Oh, there we go. That's locked. Kind of stiff. So a lot of people were... So this is unlocked right now, because that's the lever to unlock it. And you got to push this back in, and then lock it. I cannot get at the screwdriver bit there. Well, this is the blade. Oh, right. Do I have to take the blade out in order to take this? Let's have a look at the blade. This is the blade. Let's cut something. So this is sharpened very well. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Quality wise, this is amazing. So that's the blade itself. Okay. If you notice that this lever kind of moves to a closed position while you're doing it, hang on, I need to take out the bit. That bit is quite annoying. Okay, let's take out the bit. Phillips, oh, 2 Phillips heads. You can get different versions of these. That's the skinnier one. Is it number 2, number 1? Very nice. Let's have a look on the other side. We have the saw. Okay. That's annoying. Kind of gets in the way. Hang on, let me close this side. See, notice where there's a bit of a gap here. Okay, that's unlocked. Yeah, do you see it closed properly now? There we have the saw. Let me check my... Okay, so we have the main blade, wire cutters, saw, scissors. We had a look at the scissors. It says you can push on the other... Oh, okay. Push down pretty hard and you can unlock this. Kind of fell into place. It's kind of shaky. What's the deal? This is the hobby blade. Wow, this is very sharp. It's the hobby blade. Yeah, it's very sharp, so yeah, I can make a groove there. push this. This is okay. Okay, there's a little thing here, so I can. Well, it's kind of hard to get at these ones. I believe this is the all tool. Full size, yeah, the all tool. It's kind of sharp as well. Bottle opener here, I believe. Okay. This is the hex key and a bottle opener, I believe. Are they all bottle? No. I think you can use them. This is a 2mm Allen or hex wrench. This is the flathead screwdriver. Oh, the lever is depressed now, so I can remove these. No? I have to completely unlock it. I'm going to take these out and see. That's pretty easy. Kind of slides into place. So this is the 10mm wrench with the medium flathead screwdriver. And what else was there? Oh, that's the hobby blade itself. You can rearrange these. Oh, you can't put the main blades in the middle. You can only put the medium ones inside. So this was here. This was here. This was here. It's a tight fit. Is that in? Okay, that's not in. This one's not going in. Lever's open. Ah, there we go. The lever was kind of locked. Sorry, it's shiny there. The lever was kind of locked, so I couldn't. So you push this down fully, and then everything else is locked into place. Very nice. Oh, and this is the clip, so you can put it onto your belt here, like so. I've seen the guy remove this to take this off, so I forgot the guy's name, but that guy should get credit for this. Okay, let's open the lever, take out the, just need this. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Can I lock that? Oh, it still dangles there, but they're not going anywhere. A little bit shaky though. So you can unscrew this. So if you don't, if you keep this in your toolbox or you don't like to carry this, ooh, that Allen wrench controls the spring tension. Okay. To try to get this out, put this back in. You can also add different handles, like they have the wooden, bronze, silver. You can get this in black as well. I might get the black one. Very impressed with this tool. Yeah, did you see that? So this hex screw controls the tension of the spring. So do you see that? So the tension there, see, it's locked like so. Oh, this is so nice. Feels nice as well. Hang on a second, let me put this back in so it stops shaking about. So unlock this. Oh, right, it goes all the way up. I didn't know. I want to fit this. It's kind of hard to. This was in between here. Okay. This part is proving difficult. So the gap is very tight, but I did unlock the lever completely. I'm sure I'll watch the videos and I'll find. Oh, there we go. Not too bad. So close this and it's locked. It ain't going nowhere. Oops, let me just back up. So that's not going anywhere. And then I can press on the rest of them to unlock. There we go, that's unlocked. And there we have it. The GOAT tools. I'll do a full depth review of this, but first impressions, this is amazing. Definitely worth it. It's not too big either. There's the flat bit for the hammer as well. I forgot about that. This is mall sheet, whatever MOLLE stands for. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep this off for now. This is the box. Yeah, very happy with this purchase. GOAT tools. Oh, I thought this was see-through. This is actually just like etched on, and these are replaceable. Alright guys, this is just the unboxing video and first impressions of the GOAT tools. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and join us on Discord. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.